Have you ever been sent a spreadsheet with calculations that you simply couldn't understand? That's often down to not knowing the basics of formulas and functions and how they actually work. And that's why I've come up with this class, Introduction to Formulas and Functions, that deals with the sheer basics. What is a formula? What is a function? How do they work? And rather than having you investigate things like this, which clearly are difficult to dissect and understand, why not have a look at something as simple as this, which is a formula, or something that does something very similar, but in this case, we're not looking at numbers, but references to cells, or we could do something like that, which is a function. If this is confusing to you, why not come to my class and learn all about the basics and then understand how to deal with the more complicated ones?